In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an ad account in Business Manager. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to handle this task with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Meta account. This is essential because Business Manager is a Meta product, and you'll need to access it through there. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure you're using the correct credentials, and perhaps even consider resetting your password if that's necessary to gain access. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your Business Manager settings page. This is essentially the dashboard where you'll find all the tools and options related to managing your business accounts on Meta's platform. If you're unfamiliar with how to get to these settings, you can typically find them by clicking on the Business Manager icon, which might look like a set of gears or a simple settings label. Now that you're on the settings page, take a look at the Accounts section. In this area, you'll find various account management options. What you want to do next is locate and select Ad Accounts from this list. This section holds all the ad accounts associated with your Business Manager, and it's where you'll be able to make changes such as removals or deactivations. Next, it's time to find the specific ad account you wish to remove. Look through the list until you pinpoint the one you don't need anymore. If you have many ad accounts, you might want to use any available search or filtering tools provided on the platform to facilitate this step. Once you've found the ad account you want to remove, you should see an option to deactivate next to its name. Click on this option. Keep in mind that deactivating doesn't delete the ad account completely. It simply removes it from being active in your Business Manager. This means that while the account is no longer operational under your business tools, you might still retain the historical data and settings should you decide to reactivate it at a later time. After clicking Deactivate, a confirmation window will appear. This step is crucial as Meta uses it to ensure that deactivating an account is indeed your intention, in case you clicked it by accident. When this pop-up appears, proceed by clicking on Deactivate Ad Account to confirm your choice. This final click will seal the deal, removing the ad account from your business settings. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily remove an ad account from your Business Manager. We hope you'll find this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy managing.